Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today, we are diving into a frustrating problem that many iPhone users face: your iPhone not detecting headphones. Whether you are trying to listen to music, watch a video, or take a call, having your iPhone fail to recognize your headphones can be a real headache. But do not worry. In this video, we will go over some simple and effective ways to fix the issue and get your headphones working again. So let us get started. Step 1. Check your headphones and port. First things first, let us check your headphones and the headphone port on your iPhone. Sometimes, the issue might not be with your iPhone at all. Number 1. Inspect your headphones. Make sure your headphones aren't damaged. Check for any visible wear and tear, frayed cables, or broken connectors. Try using the headphones on another device to see if they are working. Number 2. Clean the headphone port. Dust, lint, or debris can often accumulate in the headphone port, preventing proper connection. Use a small flashlight to look inside the port. If you see any dirt, gently clean it out with a toothpick or a soft brush. Be very careful not to damage any internal components. 3. Try another pair of headphones. If you have another set of headphones, plug them in and see if your iPhone recognizes them. This will help you determine if the issue is with your headphones or the phone itself. Step number 2. Check your iPhone settings. If your headphones are in good condition, the next step is to check your iPhone settings. 1. Turn off Bluetooth. Sometimes your iPhone may be connected to a Bluetooth device, like wireless headphones or speakers, which could cause it not to be recognized wired headphones. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, and turn it off to make sure your iPhone isn't connected to any other audio device. Number 2. Adjust volume settings. Make sure your iPhone isn't stuck in silent mode or has very low volume. Press the volume buttons on the side of your device to see if the headphones icon appears on the screen. If not, this may indicate a problem with the connection. Number 3. Check the Do Not Disturb mode. If your iPhone is in Do Not Disturb mode, it might not play sound through the headphones. Swipe down from the upper right corner to access Control Center and check if the Do Not Disturb icon is on. If it is, tap to turn it off. Step number 3. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can solve many issues, including problems with headphone detection. Here's how to do it. 1. Restart your iPhone. For iPhones with Face ID, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. For iPhones with a home button, press and hold the power button until the slider appears. Wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. 2. Check for updates. Sometimes, software bugs can cause issues with headphone detection. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and check for any available updates. Step number 4. Reset all settings. If restarting your iPhone didn't help, you might need to reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpapers. 1. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset all settings. Confirm your choice, and your iPhone will reset all settings to their defaults. Step number 5. Contact Apple support. None of these steps work. The issue might be hardware related. In this case, it is time to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. 1. Make an appointment. Go to support.apple.com or use the Apple Support app to book an appointment. Apple's experts will diagnose your iPhone and suggest the best course of action. And there you have it. A few simple steps to fix your iPhone if it is not detecting headphones. Start by checking your headphones and port, then move on to your iPhone settings. Restart your device or reset all settings if needed. And if all else fails, do not hesitate to contact Apple support. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.